For the second example, I start with a motion map. And so the motion map I show them is right up here. The first thing I tell my students to do is to label each dot as 1 second because the dot and the arrow together represent a 1 second time interval. So starting at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have a total of 10 seconds here. And so then I have them draw a position time graph. And so since we know there's going to be 10 seconds, there should be 10 intervals here. And then if we look up here, it goes all the way up to 8. And so I have 8 spots on the position graph or the position axis. And so what I have them do is I have them look at what would be the velocity in the first section. So these arrows both have the same length, and so we see that in 1 second it goes down 2 meters. And so our slope of our line should be 2 meters per second. So I show them go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. Then we go from 2 to 4 seconds, 2 and 3 seconds, we have it's going up 1 per second. So it's going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Then from 4 to 4, 5, and 6 seconds, it's at rest. And then starting at 7 seconds, it's going to start to go down again. And it's going to go down 1 every second. So down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. And so that will be our position time graph. I do the position time graph first because sometimes it's easier for them to see the slope of the line from this information here. Then I have them draw their velocity time graph. So that would be a horizontal line at -2, then a horizontal line at 1, and then a horizontal line at 0, and a horizontal line at -1. And so that is something that when they have that position time graph, it's a little bit easier to get that velocity time graph instead of going straight from the motion map. If they hadn't done the description by then, I asked them to write out the description for each section. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 sections that I asked them to write about.